Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06, which temporarily disable your Snapchat account due to multiple attempts or suspicious activities. Let's get started. Now for us to solve that, all we have to do is to go to our App Store and look for Snapchat and make sure that it is updated. So once it needs to be updated, just like this one, just click update and wait for it to finish updating. Now if it's already updated, then you can directly open your Snapchat. But before you do that, you have to go to your settings first and then scroll down a bit and look for Snapchat application, and then tap or toggle on and off the background app refresh. Now this is very important to reload Snapchat. And next is, once you're done with this, go back to the settings and look for general. So there, tap general, and then let's go for the iPhone storage and wait for it to load until you can now scroll down and find Snapchat. Now in here you have two options, to offload or delete the app. So all you have to do is to tap offload the app. So in this way it will be deleted, but your data will still be there. So just reload it and just reinstall back the application. So in this way we will be able to refresh and reinstall Snapchat, and you can try to open again and see if you can now log in successfully. Now this works for me. I hope this works for you too. If this is helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.